How to post Instagram stories on desktop. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can post Instagram stories on desktop. So without any delay, let's just dive right into the video and find out how we can do it. So if you want to post Instagram stories on desktop, these are the process you may follow up. So when we head over to create an Instagram, we usually don't have an add story option like we do on mobile. So the method you can apply up is right click on the blank space on your Instagram on your desktop, head over to inspect, and this opens up on your interface. So from this interface at the top, you will be finding elements, and with a small icon right here, you need to click on the small icon and this opens up like mobile screen opens up. So from here at the top, you can find this dimension section. Drop it down and you need to select up a phone instead, like whichever phone is applicable for you. And when you do that, the screen opens up on your device, and once you refresh your page of your Instagram, you'll be having the feature of adding a story like you do on your mobile phone. So just go ahead and refresh until you get the option of your story. So you can just go ahead and locate this option called your story. Go ahead and tap on it and then go on with the normal process of posting a story. So you can select up a file from your device, open it up, and once that is done, this opens up on a screen, and all you need to do is go ahead and click on this add to story option. And after that is done, your story should be posted. So that is it. This is the method you can apply up in order to post stories on desktop. So I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching this video.